In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to add video to your Omnisend email. Hi, I'm Matt, a team member here at Video Email. Video email is designed to be used by marketers with no coding skills required. If you can copy and paste, you are all set to add video to your Omnisend emails. Here's a video email playing in a Gmail account. In this video, I'll run you through how you can create a video email, just like this example. Okay, so let's create a video email. Step 1 is to create a new regular email campaign in Omnisend. Having selected our template, we select a quick add from the menu. We then drag the HTML block into position within the template, where we wish our video to be featured. We are now ready to move on to creating our video content. The Viewed Video Email platform is where we'll create the content for our video email. Viewed offers a free trial account. This provides the opportunity to take the platform for a test drive with no commitment. Once signed in, we select New Video, and then Upload Video. Next, we choose a name for our video. We now upload our video from our computer. We enter the width for our video at 600. Next, we select Upload Video. Our video will now be uploaded to the video email platform. This takes up to a couple of minutes, depending on the size of your video file. We have now successfully uploaded our video. The next step is to choose how we are going to use the video. We select the option to send with other emailing software. Viewed now creates a snippet of HTML. We scroll to the foot of the page where we select Copy Code. It is this code which we are going to use to add our video content to our Omnisend template. We return to our Omnisend campaign, where we delete the code in the HTML code pane, and then paste the HTML snippet into this code pane. Our video is now in position within our template. We now proceed to complete our campaign setup, ready for testing and sending. Thanks for watching. For full details of the free trial offered by Viewed, scan the QR code or use the link shown here.